Soccer DBB number 563, and that is one box of Topps Premier Gold 2016. Thanks everybody for the fill. Teams on the right. Good luck. Alright, Germany is gone in select. So we're down to the last teams on that one as well. Alright, only one fatty. Here we go. Is it jersey or patch? It is a patch to 50. I first thought it was black. Got excited for a second. Alright, here we go. 37 out of 50. And that is, how about Bournemouth, Dan Gosling. Bournemouth, Dan Gosling. Damn, I got the wrong sleeves in this one here. Still the wrong sleeve. Jesus. One second, guys. All the wrong sleeves in my package here. How can that happen? Right. So Dan Gosling, Bournemouth. We got Bournemouth Stadium. All right, let's see. We have Abel Hernandez, Hull City, and we got a insert coming. First up is Eric Bailly, and to 25 is Shinji Okazaki for Leicester. To 25 purple. Insert is Ronaldo. And we got a silver to 99, and that is David De Gea for Manchester United. We have West Ham Stadium. Still 2 autographs to come. Come on. Give us a good one. We got Gylfi for Swansea City. Gylfi Sigurdsson. And to 99 is John Terry, 11 of 99, Chelsea. Alright, next up we have Benteke, Harry Kane, Tottenham Stadium. Got an insert coming of Sadio Mane for Liverpool. Do we get one more auto? Yep, we got Divock Origi for Liverpool. Hector. Divock Origi. Alright, that's it for the break already. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.